Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. All right, I'm going to cover M.A.P, My Automatic Pay, do a quick review. I'm going to show you another $247 commissions has come in for this program, and we want to get you started. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys, M.A.P, My Automatic Pay. This website, gotta love it, because this page that we're looking at has a video right here that does all the selling and telling for us. We don't have to do any selling. Okay, you're just going to point people to your page and the system will do the selling and telling for you. This is an automatic income system, okay, because everything is included with this system. I want to cover some points, and we're going to just go over this step by step. All right, let me get my notes out so we don't miss anything. I like this system because it's simple. It's perfect for a newbie because everything is included all in one digital business in a box. The capture pages are included. The sales pages are included. The autoresponder is included so that the system can follow up on your behalf and send out emails for you to all your prospects. Everybody that entered their name and email in your system, this system will follow up for you. So when you're new, that's less complications. You don't have to worry about getting a funnel, getting an autoresponder, doing all these additional things that we typically have to do. All right, it's all in one. Okay, newbie friendly. You're able to receive $247 commissions over and over, guys. This is instant pay. You don't have to wait a week or the 15th, any of those things. You're paid instantly when somebody clicks that purchase button from your customized affiliate link. You paid instantly any way you want. Okay, now this comes also with a reverse one-up component. Everyone passes up their second sale. This gives you leverage, guys. Okay, let me tell you, because this particular sale right here was a pass up. So when you sign up people, okay, they make their first sale, they keep that sale, they break even. But the second sale passes up, so that's going to be passive income you're going to be getting, okay, without any effort on your part. You sign up a person one time, they owe you a second sale, and this just keeps repeating itself. Everybody you sign up passes up their second sale, but when that sale comes to you, right, that sale passes up, they owe you their second sale. So see, this can go on to infinity, okay? So it's great leverage, passive income. Okay, and then it includes a step-by-step blueprint. I'm going to show you that too. Okay, all the marketing resources and training tools are included. I put the link in the description. Go check it out, www.besteasyworkincome.com. Okay, very simple, newbie friendly. Now, how much does this cost? Guess what? Only $247. There's no monthly fees with this, so it's $247. You're going to pay to your inviter. And then you're going to pay $33 to the company. $280, you got a business in a box. Everybody that joins me, I'm going to run a campaign for you. I'm going to run a solo ad. Okay, so pretty much pay $280. Then your first bonus from me is traffic. Because that's what you need. You need eyeballs looking at the opportunity. You need people going to the capture page, putting in their email, right? And then they go here, they watch this video. This is the key, getting people here. All right, eyeballs, as many as you can, as often as you can. So you get this wonderful sales page, right? So take a look at it. It explains everything. This video talks to people, does the presentation. Then as they scroll through here, they can see what they get, $247 payments. We also have in this system done for you traffic. They have several traffic packages, as you can see on this page. 1, 2, 3, 4 packages. So everybody can go back here copy their link, click a button to make a payment to the vendor, and you're done. Okay, so it's very simple. So done for you traffic packages is all automated, pretty much. They go through the funnel, they watch a presentation. The system will send an email for you while we're sleeping, while you're doing whatever you're doing. It will convince them or not. Either they're in or they're out. Okay, and then if they decide to pay, guess what? Boom, $247 to you, over and over and over and over. So this presentation can go on 24/7, 365 days a year. It never gets tired. Okay, that's what I love about it. And just think about people from all over the world can be checking out this presentation while you sleep. Okay, so what else is included? This is a membership. What do you get? The payments, you're able to get the $247 payments. You get a whole sales funnel. The autoresponder is member to member. You pay directly from the person that joins you. You get digital products that teach you how to market online. You get the done for you packages. All this is under one roof, so you don't have to go outside to another system and look for external training or resources. Everything is right here. Okay, and then you're paid instantly. Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, or credit card. You decide. How do you want to get paid? Put that in your back office, and you're off to the races. Start promoting. So you get digital products. Okay, I'm going to show you that here in a second. What else we got going on? And it's only 3 steps, guys, to set it up. That's what's so simple. It's nothing complicated. 3 steps. Step 1, make your payment. Pay your $247. This is one-time payments. Pay your $33. Step 2, go in your back office. Connect. How do you want to get paid? Your payment option, which I just explained to you. And start promoting. Buy your traffic. Okay? And you're going to do number 3 over and over and over and over again. Promoting. You break even on your first sale. Okay, because you paid $247 to get in. The first person that signs up with you, you just made your $247 back. Okay, anything after that, you're in profit. Click this button, create your account, get started. That's it. That's simple. However, again, number 3 is that's your biggest challenge. But it's not really going to be a challenge. Set a budget to the side. How much you're going to spend on your marketing. Okay. Put that to the side, even if it's once a month, and you do it over and over and over, because you're going to start building a list, leads of people that's interested in this opportunity. You'll see all the leads in your back office. Okay, let me show you the digital products. Okay, you're going to go over here to resources, and right here, see digital products. Click there, and we have the marketing product package, and then they also have the M.A.P health products right here. Okay, so here's the health products in relations to health, and then the marketing products right here. Okay, see all the modules that you get, lots of training. But let me show you this one in particular. Check this one out. This is the main one. It's 17 pages. I've gone through this one. This is some great information. This tool has helped, as they state on here, dozens of people escape the rat race and live life on their own terms. So you definitely want to read this one. Check this one out when you get started. And remember, send me your link so that I can run traffic to your capture page. Okay? This is the capture page. Let me show you that. Okay, let's check it out. Capture pages, right? So right here, capture pages. This is the one I'm using right here. So send me your link. So when you sign up, I will run traffic to this particular page. Okay, guys? And you may say, well, where is my link? Right here. When you log into your members area, your dashboard, right here, it says your referral link. This one right here. Copy this. Send me an email. Paste it. Send me the email. This is where I'm going to send the traffic. Now let's get into this proof payment. Okay, so you can see this system does work on autopilot. Check it out. Okay, I'm going to put this over my emails. But right here, you see it says Cash App, 𝐒𝐤𝐚𝐦, right here, 6:46 p.m. That was a Cash App payment, guys. Okay, so this definitely does work. I would love to work with you guys if you're serious, okay? Because this is not going to just make money when you sign up. You've got to do a little work, Okay, so if you're interested in collecting $247 payments instantly with the system M.A.P, definitely go check the link out in the description, www.besteasyworkincome.com. I look forward to working with you guys. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, guys, see you on the next video. You guys be safe out there. Have a blessed day.